We've got Daniel here today. How are you, mate?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good, good. We're just having a bit of a break, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
And you were saying to me you've come here today for your first lesson to get
Yep.
ready to pass the driving test.
That's right.
Yep, bit of a boundary umpire too, eh?
Yeah.
Now, you've had quite a few lessons. You can't even remember how many.
Yeah, lots.
Lots somewhere else.
Somewhere else, yeah.
Today's your first time here. Would you like to share your experience with the other students looking at the video about what you did before compared to here?
Before I learnt nothing. Learnt nothing relevant because I came here today and I've learnt more in this an hour and a half than I've learnt at any of my other lessons combined.
How come? What was going on before?
I wasn't being taught the right stuff and I've got a better teacher.
Ah, right. Worth your while?
Definitely worth my while.
Okay, so if you don't pass the test today, it's not a bad thing, is it?
Now, if I don't pass the test, I know that I've learnt a lot, and that next time I attempt it, I'll pass it.
Yeah.
Pass it. Yeah.
Because we've been training a lot better.
We've learnt a lot.
Excellent. Well done. Thanks for sharing those words with us. It'll help a lot of students too. Primarily not to keep wasting money on lessons where you're not being taught anything.
That's right.
I mean, you've learned a huge amount, haven't you?
Yeah, I've learnt a lot.
What have you learnt that's different?
Well, I've learnt all the manoeuvres seem to be getting there. Before I was struggling a lot.
Yeah.
Learning the 5-second rule and lots of other rules.
Excellent. Which you didn't even know about.
Which I didn't even know about.
20 or 30 lessons?
20 or 30 lessons, yeah.
Before?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it makes you wonder where all that money's gone.
Yeah.
Oh well, we're on our way.
We're on our
So
way.
we're going to get back to work, eh?
That's right.
Okay, let's get back in the car. Thanks for that.
Thank you.